Welcome, listeners, to another captivating episode of AI Frontiers, where the latest marvels of artificial intelligence research are unveiled. Today's focus is on groundbreaking innovations in AI, spotlighting 18 remarkable papers from June 7, 2025. Let's embark on this journey to explore the future of machine intelligence together. Imagine the surprise when some of the most advanced AI reasoning systems, designed to think like humans, completely crumble under the weight of complex tasks. Picture a chess grandmaster freezing against a slightly tougher opponent. Why do these powerful models falter when it matters most? This intriguing mystery sets the stage for today's exploration, as fresh research insights from June 7, 2025, shed light on these unexpected limitations. The field of artificial intelligence is full of such paradoxes, where computational might sometimes hits an invisible wall. Through the lens of recent studies, a deeper understanding of these failures is emerging, revealing critical gaps in how AI processes intricate problems. This episode promises to unpack these findings, offering a glimpse into why even cutting-edge systems struggles, and what this means for the future of machine reasoning. Stay tuned as the discussion dives into the heart of this challenge, connecting the dots between theory and real-world impact. The journey ahead will illuminate not just the hurdles, but also the innovative pathways researchers are forging to overcome them. Today's episode is dedicated to decoding the latest leaps in artificial intelligence, drawing from 18 fresh papers published on June 7, 2025. The purpose is clear: to unpack how machines are learning to think, adapt, and create solutions across diverse domains. From AI systems solving complex math problems to those aiding in disaster response, the evolution of technology is accelerating at an astonishing pace. The scope of this journey encompasses understanding the breakthroughs that are reshaping the field, the stubborn challenges that persist, and the untapped potential that lies ahead. This content is crafted for tech enthusiasts, curious learners, and anyone intrigued by the inner workings of systems like virtual assistants or autonomous vehicles. By exploring these papers, a comprehensive picture of AI's current state and future possibilities emerges, highlighting how research is pushing boundaries. The aim is to provide clarity on intricate topics, ensuring that listeners grasp both the excitement and the complexity of these advancements. As the discussion unfolds, expect to gain insights into the dynamic world of machine intelligence and its transformative impact on society. To grasp the breadth of artificial intelligence, envision it as a bustling city with diverse neighborhoods, each serving a unique purpose. At its core, AI is driven by a mission to mimic human intelligence. Whether it's understanding speech, recognizing patterns in images, or making decisions under pressure, this vibrant field touches nearly every aspect of life, from healthcare with diagnostic tools to education through personalized learning platforms, and even transportation with autonomous vehicles navigating busy streets. The 18 papers from June 7, 2025, being explored today, are akin to new skyscrapers rising in this city, reshaping its skyline and pushing the limits of what's possible. Each study contributes to building a future where AI doesn't just assist, but fundamentally transforms how challenges are addressed. By examining these research efforts, a clearer view of how AI's landscape is evolving comes into focus, revealing the innovative construction underway. This metaphorical city of AI is a dynamic, ever-growing space, and today's discussion offers a window into the latest blueprints that are redefining human interaction with technology. One of the prominent themes in current AI research is enhancing the reasoning abilities of large language models. Picture these models as detectives piecing together clues to solve intricate mysteries, such as logic puzzles or mathematical challenges. A key focus in several papers from June 7, 2025, is on enabling AI to detect and correct its own errors mid-thought, a process that mirrors human self-reflection. However, as highlighted by Shojaee and colleagues, there are surprising limitations when these models face highly complex tasks where their performance unexpectedly falters. From a technical perspective, reasoning in AI involves dynamically chaining logical steps to arrive at conclusions, a process that demands both precision and adaptability. These studies underscore the importance of refining how AI thinks step by step, revealing both the progress made and the hurdles that remain. As research continues to probe these boundaries, the insights gained are critical for applications where logical deduction is paramount. This theme illustrates the ongoing quest to make machines not just compute, but truly reason in ways that align with human cognition, setting the stage for deeper exploration in subsequent discussions. Another significant trend in AI research centers on multimodal systems, which integrate diverse data types such as text, images, and beyond. Imagine AI acting as a translator, seamlessly converting visual information, like a graph, into a spoken or written explanations. Studies from June 7, 2025 are focused on achieving fluid integration across these formats, a capability essential for real-world applications where multiple senses must converge. Whether it's interpreting a complex diagram or combining audio and text for richer insights, the goal is to create systems that bridge different modes of communication effortlessly. From a technical standpoint, multimodality relies on fusing distinct neural architectures to process and correlate disparate data streams effectively. This approach is pivotal for enhancing how AI understands and interacts with the world, mimicking human perception more closely. The advancements in this area, as detailed in recent papers, highlight the potential for more intuitive and versatile machine intelligence. As this theme unfolds, it becomes clear how vital such integration is for the next generation of AI tools, paving the way for broader discussions on their practical implications. The third critical area of focus in AI research is the development of autonomous agents, systems designed to operate independently in challenging and unpredictable environments. Visualize these agents as explorers navigating uncharted jungles, constantly adapting to sudden shifts in terrain or circumstances. Papers from June 7, 2025, emphasize their application in scenarios like search and rescue missions, where real-time flexibility is non-negotiable. The research demonstrates that these agents can significantly outperform traditional methods, showcasing remarkable adaptability when priorities change mid-task. This progress marks a crucial step toward reliable, self-reliant machine decision-making, where AI can be trusted to act without constant human oversight. The ability of these systems to learn and adjust on the fly is a testament to the innovative strides being made in the field. As explored in recent studies, such autonomy holds immense promise for high-stakes situations, ensuring faster and more effective responses. This theme underscores the transformative potential of AI in real-world operations, setting the foundation for further insights into how independence in machines is being achieved and refined. Turning to some of the most striking discoveries from the June 7, 2025 papers, several key findings stand out as stories of AI triumphs and surprises. Shojaee and colleagues reveal that reasoning models, despite their sophistication, collapse entirely when faced with highly complex tasks, a limitation that challenges assumptions about AI scalability. In a different domain, AI has achieved a remarkable feat by independently designing photonic metamaterials, which manipulate light in unconventional ways, potentially revolutionizing optics and telecommunications technology. Another breakthrough involves self-correcting language models for mathematics, which have improved accuracy by up to 20% on challenging tests by verifying their work in real time. Additionally, reinforcement learning systems for search and rescue missions have demonstrated the ability to adapt mid-task, quadrupling efficiency compared to older approaches. Finally, an AI system tackled the traveling salesman problem at an unprecedented scale, optimizing routes across over 700,000 points with extraordinary precision. These findings, drawn from the latest research, are not just technical achievements, but sparks that could ignite transformative changes across industries, highlighting both the power and the potential of artificial intelligence. Among the 18 papers from June 7, 2025, one study stands out as particularly pivotal. The Illusion of Thinking by Parshin Shojaee and colleagues. This work delves deeply into the perplexing question of why advanced reasoning models, built to emulate human step-by-step thought, often fail spectacularly at high levels of complexity. The researchers designed controlled puzzle environments, allowing them to incrementally increase difficulty while maintaining consistent logical structures, much like crafting a video game with escalating challenges. Their approach involved a meticulous comparison between reasoning models and standard models, ensuring equal computational resources for a fair evaluation. By dissecting every step of the AI's decision-making process, the study goes beyond mere outcomes to scrutinize the underlying thought mechanisms. This rigorous analysis, as presented in the paper, offers a unique window into the strengths and vulnerabilities of current AI reasoning frameworks. The insights gained set the stage for a broader discussion on whether machines truly think or merely simulate cognition, a theme that resonates across the field of artificial intelligence research. Continuing the exploration of the illusion of thinking by Shojaee and colleagues, the results of their study are nothing short of astonishing. At low complexity level, standard models often outperform their reasoning counterparts, suggesting that overthinking can hinder performance on simpler tasks. However, at medium difficulty, reasoning models demonstrated their strength, excelling with structured, step-by-step logic. The most striking revelation came at higher complexity thresholds, where these models didn't merely struggle, they collapsed, with accuracy plummeting to near zero. Even more perplexing, their effort to reason surged initially as problems grew harder, only to taper off as if the system simply gave up, despite having additional computational steps available. Furthermore, the models exhibited significant weaknesses in handling exact calculations and maintaining consistent logic as problem scale increased. These findings, drawn from extensive testing, challenge the prevailing notion that scaling up computational power can resolve all AI limitations. The implications of this research underscore fundamental flaws in current architectures, prompting a critical reassessment of how reasoning is engineered in artificial intelligence systems. The significance of The Illusion of Thinking by Shojaee and colleagues extends far beyond academic curiosity, carrying profound implications for real-world AI applications. This study reveals that current reasoning models cannot be trusted implicitly for complex tasks, such as those in educational tutoring or critical decision-making scenarios, where failure could have serious consequences. The findings serve as a wake-up call, urging the field to rethink model design, potentially by integrating hybrid approaches that combine traditional symbolic logic with modern neural techniques. Behind the data lies the human story of researchers grappling with the stubborn limits of AI, likely fueled by a mix of curiosity and determination to push beyond existing boundaries. This paper is more than a set of results. It's a catalyst for debate and innovation, expected to influence discussions and inspire new ideas in the AI community for years to come. Its call to action resonates with anyone invested in ensuring that artificial intelligence evolves into a reliable and robust tool for society's most pressing challenges. Looking toward the horizon, the future of AI research can be envisioned as a rocket ship blasting off toward distant stars, fueled by the discoveries in these June 7, 1625 papers. One potential trajectory involves breaking through the complexity barriers in reasoning models, possibly by merging symbolic logic with neural networks to create hybrid systems that persist where others falter. Autonomous systems, such as those designing advanced materials, could become commonplace in scientific labs, acting as tireless collaborators that accelerate breakthroughs in fields like physics and medicine. Safety mechanisms in AI might evolve into intrinsic shields, enabling systems to predict and mitigate failures, thus making technologies like self-driving cars and medical robots as dependable as seasoned professionals. Additionally, the democratization of AI tools through lighter, more affordable models could empower small startups and educational institutions, broadening access to cutting-edge capabilities. These aspirations, inspired by current research, suggest that the sky is merely the starting line for AI's journey, with each study charting a course toward a future where technology transforms how the world's toughest problems are solved. As this episode of AI Frontiers draws to a close, a moment of reflection on the incredible ground covered is warranted. Today's journey through 18 papers from June 7, 2025, has spanned from the unexpected barriers in reasoning models, as highlighted by Shojaee and colleagues, to awe-inspiring innovations in material design and rescue operations. While challenges such as complexity limits, safety concerns, and resource demands persist, each obstacle presents an opportunity for creative problem-solving and advancement. The dedication of researchers in pushing machines to think deeper and act smarter is evident in every study discussed. What lies ahead for AI? Listeners are encouraged to share their visions for the field's future, imagining where these technologies might lead. For those eager to explore further, links to the original papers are available in the resources provided. This exploration of AI's frontier is a testament to the field's boundless potential, inviting all to remain curious and engaged as new discoveries unfold. Before concluding, a note on how this presentation was crafted is in order. The content for this episode was developed using advanced AI tools, including models like GPT-Grok 3 for text generation. Text-to-speech synthesis was facilitated by DeepGram, ensuring clear and natural audio narration. Visual aids accompanying this podcast were supported by image generation technologies from OpenAI, enhancing the listener experience. All material has been meticulously reviewed by human experts to maintain accuracy and reliability. However, it's acknowledged that some oversights may occur, and references are provided for those seeking to verify or delve deeper into the topics discussed. This blend of cutting-edge technology and human oversight reflects the collaborative spirit driving AI research itself, ensuring that the information shared is both innovative and trustworthy. The process behind this production mirrors the very advancements being explored, showcasing how AI tools are already shaping the dissemination of knowledge in meaningful ways. Thank you for joining this episode of AI Frontiers. Don't miss out on future updates. Subscribe to stay informed about the latest and cutting-edge AI research. Become part of a growing community of tech enthusiasts and innovators passionate about the future of technology. The channel, AI Frontiers, is dedicated to being your trusted source for breakthroughs in the field. In this podcast, the latest advancements in computer science and AI are brought directly to you, sourced from the arXiv preprint server. From neural networks to quantum computing, complex research is simplified to keep listeners at the frontier of innovation. Whether a developer, researcher, or tech enthusiast, AI Frontiers delivers daily insights to keep you informed. Thanks for listening. If this episode resonated with you, subscribing for daily updates is encouraged. Looking forward to tomorrow with more cutting-edge AI insights. Disclaimer: this content utilizes material from the arXiv preprint server under its API terms of use. AI Frontiers is not affiliated with or endorsed by the arXiv preprint server.